In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to use Assistive Touch on iPhone and iPad. Hello friends, Assistive Touch is one of my favorite features of iOS, and today I'm gonna show you guys my own Assistive Touch settings and how to set up your own Assistive Touch menu. So firstly, you need to launch Settings, select General, select Accessibility, scroll down and select Assistive Touch, and here is a toggle you need to switch off and on to disable or enable Assistive Touch feature. Once you have it enabled, tap on this Customize top level menu. Here you can decide which options you want to use with Assistive Touch icon. Like as you can see, this is my regular menu and I use it every day. You can have your own custom menu and you can modify each option by tapping on it. For a demo purpose, let's select this device option. Now you can assign any action from this available list. Let's try this custom. And now hit done. Now as you can see, you have got custom icon here and same is reflecting in your Assistive Touch menu. So you can customize every option in your menu by tapping on it. Also, you can decide how many icons you want to use with Assistive Touch. You can tap on this plus and minus signs to change the number of icons. You can have maximum 8 icons and minimum 1 icon. Now at the bottom, you have this reset button. This will reset all your Assistive Touch settings to factory default. So if you feel you are messed up with your settings, just press this reset button and it will restore Assistive Touch menu to factory settings. Now let's go back and check this custom actions. Here you can assign custom actions to Assistive Touch icon without even opening it. For a demo purpose, let's check this double tap action. I have set it to lock the screen. Now when I double tap on my Assistive Touch icon, it locks the screen. So I don't have to press the side button anymore. I can completely avoid it. And that is why this is my favorite Assistive Touch feature. Similarly, you guys can set custom actions for single tap, long press and 3D touch. And now let's see idle opacity. What it does is, it changes the visibility of the Assistive Touch icon when it is not in use. If you increase the number, it will be more darker, and when you decrease it, it will be too lighter. I keep it between 40 and 50%, I find it comfortable, but you can set the visibility as per your preference. Now let's go back and check this final setting. Create new gesture. Here you can record your own gesture and activate it using Assistive Touch custom option. You can either tap or swipe on the screen to create a new gesture. Let's see an example. Let's swipe up on the screen. It has recorded the gesture. Now tap the stop button to stop recording your gestures. And now tap save to name your gesture. I'll name it swipe up. Now hit save. Now let me show you how this custom gesture works. First, you should have this custom option available in your Assistive Touch menu. When you tap on it, you can find your custom gestures. Let's tap on it. It creates a new icon on the screen. Now when you tap on this icon, it will play your gesture. Like in our case, it is playing a swipe up gesture. So just by tapping on the screen, you are able to perform a swipe up gesture, which is really cool. You can create your own gestures, combine multiple gestures into one and use it for different purposes. And when you want to get rid of it, just tap on Assistive Touch icon. And that's all for today. I hope this Assistive Touch tutorial helps in making your own Assistive Touch menu and use your iPhone and iPads effectively. If you like this short tutorial, do share it with your friends and loved ones. It will support the channel. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial next week. Till then, take good care of yourself. This is Vikas signing off for the day. Thank you so much for watching.